Good news, good news, good news. So today is not for any tutorial. Someone sent me this testimony and I felt I want to share with you. I won't be sharing the person's picture because I should even share the person's picture. Maybe it will come at the end of the video. But let me share this good news. She said she watched on the 1st of January. I felt this urge to talk to us that are all of us that want to start ready to wear business that are still scared of starting. So I did a video and I posted it. That video had over 15,000 views currently. Do you understand? So this lady watched that video and she sent me this testimony. She sent me all these pictures that is displaying out now on the screen. And she said, Mama, that I spoke to her personally, that it was like I used cane to flog her. She had a sewing machine at home, but she knows how to cut, how to sew, but she's even scared of starting. As in, she's asking herself, where does she want to start from? Where I want to start from? Who won't patronize me? She said she's 2 months pregnant and she was starting antenatal this year, January. So after she watched that video, she said she watched that video on the 10th of January to be precise. That was the day she came across the video. And it was like Holy Spirit used cane. As she was watching the video, they were flogging her. That she shed tears because in that video she felt I was talking to her. And then she decided to make a move. Where did she decide to start from? Antenatal. She said because she was starting antenatal, she felt let her just start something. Okay, no, she went for the antenatal the first day and she watched around. And in fact, it was as if what the nurses were talking that day is about the dressing of pregnant women. They say, because the tummy is growing, most of them are outgrowing their clothes. You see pregnant women coming to antenatal with leggings and t-shirts that their belly is outside. They said they spoke about dressing that day. They even called out two women. One was dressed well with maxi gown. The other one was just wearing one shabby jean and t-shirt. And they used them as example. And they said it is not good for you to, as a married woman, to be wearing jean that to be tight. They taught them about dressing. And so when she came back that day, she stumbled on this video and she was like, wow. She said she begged her husband for 50,000 naira and she entered market. I don't know where she bought her own Ankara. She said she went into the market and she bought Ankara, these fake ones that is raining now. We call it in Igbo zeloko. If you sew it, they carry a near iron at all, unless you want make iron burn am. But we, the tailors, we know how we iron it, so we can sew it. So she said she went to buy as much as that 50,000 could buy. Do you understand? She went to buy as much as that 50,000 she could buy, and she started making all this. She said, Mama, she made it because even if they no buy am, I used to tell you, make something that even if they don't buy it, you will wear it. That's the logic. Don't be if you are scared that they will not sell it, they will not buy it, but there's no problem. They forbid to wear clothes. Make it and wear it. Maybe when they see it on your body, that is when they will now rush it. She said, Mama, I bought Ankara for 50,000 and she held some change, I think 2,000, so that she can buy thread and other things that she need. And she started cutting out these styles. She watched some of them on YouTube. But then I'm going to be making a video. Stay tuned on this gown. I will tell you, give you another secret of another selling point. You understand? I told you, if you want to make something like this, fine, make it, but show me something that will make me to must buy this your own. I will give you a secret. I will give you a secret that when you add that my sewing, my own style of sewing to this your own gown, anybody we see and we no buy, just know say the person no just get the money. Yes, I will give you a secret. But she did not add the secret I'm talking to you about. I'm just telling you now. She said she just made it and she made 40 pieces of it. And she arranged it for the next time tutorial. that she wore one, tied the scarf. You need to see how she was flowing. You need to see how she was flowing. You need to see how she was flowing. And she walked into the antenatal. When she walked into the antenatal um, hall, made up, arranged herself well, with her pass. She was giving out these rich auntie vibes. You understand? Made friends, smiled with people. I get this. So she said she arranged it in neat nylons. I get this. So I get this. So some, she said 7,000. Some people were begging her for 6K. Okay, I no get money now. Na month end I go give you, no problem. I write down your name, I write down your phone number, and all that, and all that, and all that. What I want to tell you people is that in 1 month, 50,000 has turned to over 200,000. Because she kept turning it over and over again. 50,000 don't give my babe 200, more than 200,000. Are you still sleeping? Hey, this is good news. Oh, good news have started. She said what struck her was the day they commented on people's dressing in antenatal that she registered this year. That was the day that she stumbled on my video that pushed her to go into this ready to wear business. She's now telling me, mama, I'm going to do more. I'm going to do more. I'm going to do more. And she said, mama, let me send you something. Or send your account number. I said, no, you just started. We still have a long way to go. You will give me more. No be now. Just keep turning in your profits. And she said, no, mama, I must do something for you. I refused to give her account number. This lady went to my YouTube channel, took my phone number, that phone number that I used to display on my videos. She took it and sent 5,000 naira recharge card to it. That is her own offering she's giving to God. What am I trying to tell you? This is one person recognizing her own environment. Have you recognized your own? It could be that you are a student in school. What is that type of cloth? Have you priced? There's this baggy trouser that is raining now for, maybe they call it Yahoo boys dressing. But there's this trouser that is raining now. It's scuba, thick scuba. This trouser that is raining now for boys. I went to the market with my son that is going back to school. I have a son that is in the third year, and he was going back to school this January. So we went shopping. We went to the market. I managed just waka pass somewhere. My son knows na me dey sew all in cloth, hoodies, everything. I dey run am for am. I just managed to see one because I liked the design on it. I just asked them, abeg o, how much for this trouser? The man said 25K. I said 25K. He said yes. 25K. He said yes. I just use play say, oga, you know sell am 15,000. He now laughed at me and said, me sef I no buy am 15,000. I said, okay, how much did you buy? He said he himself, he bought it 23,500. Say na 1,500 they sell am. I said, okay. He said, you no wan buy? I said, I don't have the money. I don't have that 25,000 you're calling. Make I go check where first. If I get, I go come by. He saying they wait for me. He said, he now even told me, say, if you price round, if not the same thing, I better come buy for my hand. He trust my Igbo brothers. And I left. Scuba is what somebody is selling for 25,000. Scuba. And let me tell you the truth, people are buying it. People are buying it. You and I are fashion designers. We know that if scuba 2 costs, original scuba 2 costs. If original scuba 2 costs, my brother, my sister, I never reach 2,005. And for that baggy trouser, you need 2 yards alone. 2 yards. 2 yards, that's what you need. Okay, if you don't know what I mean by yards, I'm talking of trouser length. For the guys, if you too need now 1.5 trouser length, you go use, and that 1.5 trouser length you no go use, you no go finish. So something wey person sell 4,000, now they sell 25,000. You still dey sleep for house. Do you know that the easiest thing for you to make is that baggy trouser? No zip, no nothing, just elastic and rope. Nothing, just thread. And somebody gather mine, they sell am 25. Don't come and tell me about that design that is in front. You can make it. I already talked about printing in this my channel. I'll go and check it back. I already talked about printing in this my channel. Don't tell me about that this thing. Oh. Go to Yaba. I'm very passionate about Lagos because that's where that's where I stay, and I know all the Nkoro in Lagos. You understand? So if you get to Yaba, that upstairs where they make clothes, where they sew all this ready to wear business that fabrics that I already promised I'm going to go to the market to show you a video one day. I'll keep forgetting. I'll make a video in the market one day. Don't worry. So if you go to that place, you see where they sell stickers. You will see, ask them for stickers. Now sticker, then they paste for that, iron am down. You can do it in your houses. Don't come and tell me it's because of the sticker. Nothing. Then some of these designs wey you dey see on the trousers na hypo dem dey take do am, mix it with hypo. I think I will have to teach that one day, how to design your fabrics. All these things wey we dey call dirty jean, you no dirty anything, na hypo water dem dey take clean am. And will it surprise you that sometimes it's okrika jeans that people design and put it back as new one. Yes, I told you in my video, you have to listen. Somebody told me that they talk too much. I say na this talk na im dey bring the money o. Na this talk na im dey bring the money. Hypo na im dem dey take do that thing. I will show you. Maybe I will just, because they don't like teaching people. But I know how to do it because all of us dey the same area. So I can go and secretly be videoing. If you are interested, you watch the video, you start your own. You understand? So 50K turn to over 200,000 naira. Look for your own niche. This lady went for antenatal. Look for your own niche. It can be in your compound. All those women wey sabi tie wrapper up and down, they looking very dirty. You can market your things for them. There are a lot of things. Stop tying wrapper. I know say Jane Mena, that Cora Obidi's friend, say na to tie wrapper na be the in thing. My sister, they are tying wrapper and it's fitting them because of their stature. You now with your rubber belly and bumbo, big bumbo, go and tie wrapper, you'll be looking dirty. So there's no need of tying wrapper. Look for rich auntie, big auntie, simple styles like this. Use until they do knock about for your husband for house. Make your husband for no leave you wrong, come out. Every day you dey tie wrapper. Every day you dey tie wrapper. Make all these small things. Use it to flow in the compound. Your fellow women will like it. Short knicker. Make short knicker and top. Make guy for oga. No be say every time you carry wrapper put for chest. We are not in those. We are that one centuries ago. Now our mother then do those kind things. No be now then they do them again. And even if you must have to tie wrapper, let it be when you are getting ready for bed. You just tie your thing and feel very free. There are other things you can wear to feel very free for your husband, and you'll be looking very sexy. Small thing divorce. You know say maybe sometimes now you the causer. You are looking dirty, smelling up and down with wrapper. 2025, let us tie our wrapper. I say make we tie wrapper again. Very feel like me and you get issue. 2025. Carry your sewing machine, go outside, they start doing exploit. People have started. I'll keep sharing good news for you people on this my channel. Good news abound. I'm going to be making tutorial of this gown that this lady went to sell, and I will make it and I will give you a top secret that will put you on edge. If this lady have sold 40 pieces in just 1 month, you are going to sell 100 pieces if you do what I say you should do. And watch me. The next tutorial that is coming up, I think I've uploaded one. After that one, the next tutorial that will be coming up is this very style. Go and watch it and start doing exploit. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.